crispy, spicy, and flavor-packed fish taco with smoky pineapple salsa. Trust me, you will want a second, and I promise. Start with the pineapple salsa. Roast your orange, yellow, and green bell pepper directly on your stove top until the color change a little bit. Once roasted, chop them up, and then dice some tomatoes as well as some of your roasted corn. Place everything into a medium bowl, add a pinch of salt, and mix everything with some crushed pineapple. You can either use fresh pineapple or canned pineapple, whichever you have at home will do. This gives it a beautiful, sweet, and smoky flavor. You can eat this salsa alone, and it's very good and very colorful and delicious. Now, for the fish, I use tilapia. I season it with Old Bay, adobe, nutmeg, Italian seasoning, and I also added some Dijon mustard. Mix everything and let it marinate for about 10 minutes or more, whichever you prefer. For the breading, I use all-purpose flour and I add a little bit of cornstarch. Then I season my flour with the same spices, which was Old Bay, nutmeg, Italian seasoning, and adobe. Then I went ahead, I added some eggs inside my seasoned fish. Then I coat it with the seasoned flour. Then I set everything aside to get ready to fry. Now, go ahead, heat your oil, then dip in each fish separately. Give it some space to allow it to cook properly, and do not set your stove on high heat to avoid uncooked fish. Once golden on both sides, set it aside to drain the excess oil. Warm your tortilla directly on the stove top. By doing it like this, it gives it a nice, smoky, and beautiful flavor and like a beautiful color. Warm it up on both sides, and also, do not set your stove on high heat because this tortilla can burn easily. So keep turning it on both sides until you get the color that you desire. And set everything aside, and now it is time to plate. Add a layer of fresh lettuce. Add your crispy tilapia, a generous scoop of pineapple salsa. Yum. And finally, add your creamy mayo or your creamy pineapple chipotle mayo. Absolutely delicious. And here you have that's delicious, crispy, fishy with smoky pineapple taco. You will enjoy. Let me know in the comment if you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more flavorful recipes.